and gentlemen, the winner of this contest.
Welcome back to an old dude production. A country boy can cook. Today, I'm gonna make an omelet, a chili omelet, like I had promised. I've got a video out there. I just made Texas Red Dog chili, and I'm using some of the leftover to do a chili cheese omelet. And of course, it's got a little side of peppers on it. So let's get this started. I've got my chili. It's warmed up in a cup. It went to the microwave to get a little heat going. I've got my American cheese. It melts good. Some chopped jalapeno, whole jalapeno, and my eggs. Let's get these eggs cracking. It's a quick and simple recipe. If you've got canned chili left over, or you've made homemade chili and you've got it left over, you might like turkey chili. Like, I think Wolf Brand has a turkey chili that's pretty decent. I think I've tried it before. And I've made homemade turkey chili. It's always real good. Just give this a good mix. It's the only time I ever approve of beating up on an egg, when you're doing the scramble type. There she is. A pretty simple, boy and girl. Let's get this to the skillet. My trusty old cast iron skillet is set on low. It's got a little butter in it. Let it sit there. Maybe 30 seconds or so, and just kind of push it in from the sides. That's where you get a fluffy omelet. If you do this with a spatula, make sure you do one with a silicone. This is a red silicone. It's no problem in the heat. Tilt it up a little bit to fill in this spot here. Make sure you get all your egg cooked in good. Do that. If you need to help it get down over to a spot, feel free. Make your cooking enjoyable. See right there? You'll fill in that last little spot. Easy peasy. And let it cook. Cooking it on low. Yep, right on low exactly. So I'm going to take my cheese, just kind of layer it in on one side. I use American because it melts well. You can see it's drying out, starting to melt the cheese. You can help get it there. Take you a pan cover, put over the top of it. That will help facilitate. That's my big word of the day, facilitate. And get it right, facilitate. Facilitate the melting. Peekaboo. Look at there. It's almost done. Almost melted. Oh yeah, it's time to throw down some chili here. This is really good chili. And no, there is not beans in this chili. No beans about it. Here's a few jalapenos though. Love my peppers. Heat this back up. How's that looking, boys and girls? I think it's time for me to get this on the plate because I'm really hungry. Come on. Come on, I know you can get up there. There you go. Come on. I want it to look pretty there. Get unfolded there. There you go. Now to get it out of the pan, turn it up on high. Alright, let's get this over. Let's get the skillet over here and get this chili cheese jalapeno omelet in here. Can we do it? Come on. There she is, boys and girls. Little wrinkle right here. No problem. You see it's not too brown. Garnish it with a little bit more chili up here on top. That looks pretty. Put some cheese on it. It's hot enough, it's going to melt that cheese, and the chili's hot, it'll melt it. And I hope it does it really hurry because I am hungry. It's got my mouth watering. Still got heat in it. I'm going to take and cover it up and let it melt it. Alright, let's have the big review. Excuse me, let's have the big reveal. It's all melted. Looking good. Throw me a jap on top. Just get a bite. Chili cheese jalapeno omelet. What's not to like? Fluffy and yummy. How about let's get in the taste of this? Are y'all hungry as I am? Yeah. Slide this over to the side in case I need a little extra. Y'all know how I spell extra. Capital X T-R-E-E-E. Extra. How about a little heavy pink salt, heavy granules. Y'all check out my other video on how I made this chili. It's amazing chili. Really good. The wife loved it, so. Alright, let's get about here. Chili and eggs go really well together. All right, let's get a bite of that as well. Yep. Get back on here, jalapeno. How about a bite? That's a knockout. That'd be like Jake Paul and Mike Tyson knocking it out. Ding, ding, the fight's over. That's so good. Oh my goodness, that's great. I know if you've never had it, you might think, oh my God, there's no way, but wonderful flavor. And it's so good, I'm gonna have another bite. So y'all just have to bear with me. I'm having a moment. It's so good. Ring the bell. That's a good chili and scrambled eggs. Great, great, great. All right, I appreciate it. I know I don't tell y'all enough, but I appreciate you being here for my channel. Couldn't do it without you. Please share my videos. If you've got friends that just like good recipes and they don't want all the dancing around and all the hooping and the hollering and all the professional sets and all that, I'm the dude. I'm just an old dude that loves to cook, an old country boy. And the old country boys out of here. Bonus footage. What do I drink when I have my chili cheese jalapeno omelet? Yeah, a big glass of vitamin D. Real milk. It's the perfect side.